In this video, we will learn about some more techniques for backlinking. Let's look at author outreach technique. There are many freelance or independent bloggers and authors who write for authority sites. So these people write either as professional bloggers or authors, or they have their own blogs where they write quite proficiently on different topics. We need to find authors who write about our industry or our topic. So if we are interested in selling software, we need to find people who write about software industry. So they may be blogging on their own site, they may be writing articles on other sites, maybe on Forbes, Inc.com, or maybe for other authority sites related to technology like Mashable or TechCrunch. Once you have identified the person, need to build a relationship with them by sending them email, by commenting on their articles, letting them know how much you appreciate their work, and from time to time sharing your own article or content with them. Once you build up the relationship, then you can ask them to link to your site in their articles. So when they publish an article, when they write an article for, let's say, Forbes in future, they include your company in the article if it fits in. So if they're writing, for example, a review or a list of tools and your software fits in that list of tools, you can request him or her to include your software or your company in the list. And when the author does that, they will obviously link back to the website. So you'll get a backlink. Most authors want to review products or services. If you don't have a product that can be reviewed, then give them your opinion. Give them some data. Maybe you have done some research. Maybe you have done some survey. Share it with them that they can quote in their article. If they do, they'll generally include a link back to your site. If you have a product, great. But if you don't have a product, then what will they review? So in that case, you need to give them something else to include in their article. That something else could be priceless data, something they don't have, and you have because you have done some primary research, you have done some surveys, or maybe your expertise. You know about the subject, and therefore you can share your opinion that they can include in the article. Forum and blog commenting is also a very popular method for getting backlinks. It is also very effective and scalable because you can keep commenting every day new blogs, new forum posts come up, and you can keep commenting or responding to those comments on forums. Since the introduction of nofollow tag, many sites have made their comments no follow, which means if you comment, you'll get a link, but it won't be a no follow. It won't be a do follow link. It'll be a no follow link. So you don't get the SEO benefit. It has been done to reduce spam because with do follow links in comments like was happening earlier, a lot of people started spamming and a lot of people started using automated software, which will go from site to site and just post a comment. So to reduce that, the nofollow tag was introduced, and the nofollow tag is used by many sites in comments. But that does not mean that all sites use nofollow. Many sites still use do follow for their comment. So if you submit links in the comment, you will get a do follow link which will help in your SEO. Even if the link is no follow, it can still generate a lot of referral traffic because people will see your comment. They might click on the link in your comment and come over to your site. So you'll get a lot of referral traffic. To get backlinks to comments, you need to first find forums, Q&A sites, or blogs which are relevant to your product or industry. then, for example, if you find a blog that is relevant to your product, you can go and comment on the blog and include a link back to your site. If you find a question on a forum or a Q&A site about your product or industry, then you can answer it with a link back to your site, and that will give you a backlink. But you should be careful that you do not end up spamming these sites. Some forums or blog sites will remove comments which have links. So if you submit comment with link, sometimes it will be removed, which means you need to keep submitting to a lot of sites because only some of them will accept the link and even fewer of them will actually have a no follow link back to your site. So if you submit to, let's say, 10 sites, 10 blogs, then maybe 5 of them will allow the links, and out of those 5, maybe 3 will get the do follow backlinks. So you have to keep doing it every day, and you have to comment on a log of blog posts or forums or Q&A sites to get backlinks with do follow tag. It's also important to keep doing it from referral traffic point of view because content keeps getting old and keeps getting less and less traffic as it gets old. So you'll get fewer and fewer people who read that blog post and find your comment and click the link and come to your site. So you need to keep posting on new blog posts so that you keep getting new referral traffic. Let us see how to find blogs to comment on. You can do a Google search with the keyword to find blogs. You can find blogs in blog directories such as Alltop, botw.org, blogged.com, on toplist.com. So first you find the blog, then you read the blog to understand how you can comment and plug in your product, because it cannot be a spam. Your comment must add value to the blog, and if others have commented, then your comment must add to the discussion. And in that discussion, you should be able to plug in your product. If you can do that, great. If not, don't unnecessarily put a link to your product or your site unless it fits in there. If you see that there's a chance for you to plug in your product, then go to comment section and enter your comment. You can also find forums to comment. You can either do a Google search or you can use the forum search engine boardreader.com. Find a forum, and within the forum find a thread that is discussing your industry or your product. You need to register with the forum, and then you can answer the question or you can participate in the discussion. And when you do that, you can add a link back to your site. You can also add your website URL to your signature. So whenever you comment on the forum, the signature is added to the comment, and because your signature has a link to the website, you automatically get a backlink. You can also answer questions on Q&A sites like Quora and Reddit. You need to search the sites for questions related to your product and then answer the question with a link to your site or your page. When you do that, you get a backlink. And these are do follow backlink. So those are very valuable because both Quora and Reddit are high domain authority websites. Let us see how well you have understood this concept. Why do most sites make links in comments no follow? Because comment software automatically makes it no follow. Google has said that all comments must be no follow, or to prevent comments with links, or to tell people not to follow their comments. The correct answer is to prevent spam comments with links.